Black bean rice, guys. In this video I'll show you how to make black bean rice. Perfect vegetarian recipe, guys. I have a raw black beans right here. They are not canned, this is all raw. I have basmati rice right here. So 1 whole cup of black beans goes in the pan. We will take at least 2 cups of water. If you want to add these cups, at least 4 cups of water. So 4 cups of water and the black beans. Let me give you a perfect measurement for the whole recipe, guys. So the black beans are there. We have a whole 1 cup of basmati rice. We will take a whole cup of water and we will soak our basmati rice right now in the water. Once we add the black beans in water on the stove on high flame, we will add half tablespoon of cumin to it. This is dry mango powder, half tablespoon, and this is pomegranate powder, at least quarter to half tablespoon. We will take a whole onion. Yes, we will roughly dice it. It's a very easy and delicious recipe, I can tell you that. A vegetarian perfect delight. Black bean and rice, a combo dish. We will take diced onion and we will just add it in the water. Here it goes. Perfect. I have some granulated garlic powder. If you have regular garlic powder, it's all fine. We will add half tablespoon of garlic powder in here. Take a look here, guys. I have a whole jalapeno. This is a delicious recipe. 1 medium size jalapeno for this. Just rings, add it right here. This is the cilantro. We have to add cilantro in it. Whenever you are planning to make the rice, you can put all these ingredients in a pot or in a pan. I'm using a pan, so it's easy for you. It's easy for me to explain for you guys. Cilantro, we just need the leaves, not the stems all the way at the back. So we don't need these guys. Just rough dice it and we will add this right here. Easy, right? All right, at least 30 grams of mint leaves, fresh. For this recipe, use fresh ingredients. What I'm telling you, you can use fresh garlic in there as well if you want to. Fresh mint leaves, at least 30 grams, or a handful of fresh mint. It goes right here. We will take 1 tablespoon of salt. We will take half tablespoon of black pepper. Once we add all these ingredients, guys, take a look here. We will give it a stir so everything gets mixed up. Look at from now the black bean and rice recipe. We are just starting this recipe and we are almost 50% done with this recipe. We will cover this from top with the lid. If you have a pot, put a lid on top. If you have a pan with the lid, cook the same way I'm telling you. And now we will put our stoves onto medium flame and we will boil these beans at least for 45 minutes. So I will see you guys after 45 minutes now. Friends, it's been 45 minutes of boiling our beans with the vegetables and the dry ingredients. This is how it looks. Yes, sir. It looks good though. I mean, just give it a stir. Where is this fresh came from? Alright, let it be here. Okay, so I guess I was chopping some cilantro and some mint for the dressing on top. Okay, at this time, check the beans. Yes, they are soft. Okay, this is our basmati soaked rice. We will add 1 cup of basmati rice right here. So easy, huh? We will take 4 tablespoons of oil and we will add 4 tablespoons of oil at this time. Right on top of it, we will give it a mix so all the rice are soaking in and mixed up with the beans, since it's a delicious black bean and rice recipe. I just want to make a note here, you can use jasmine rice, you can use any kind of rice in here, but the best result is basmati rice and a jasmine rice though. Taste test. Yes, I might need to add a little bit more salt, so I will just add half more salt to it, half a teaspoon. So at this time, put your stove on to a little bit high flame so it gets to boil. Delicious Mexican black bean and rice recipe is right here, guys. It has been boiling. Yes, perfect. Now it's the time to cover it with the lid on top and put your stove onto low to simmer. I just want to make a note here, once you boil your beans and the water, if the water is dried up, add 1 more cup of water, then you add the rice into it. At my end, my water was enough, so I just added the soaked basmati rice in here. So now guys, at least we will wait 15 more minutes, and after 15 more minutes we will be surprised, we both will be surprised with this delicious Mexican black bean and rice recipe. Guys, the time is here. This is after 15 to 16 minutes of our bean and rice. We will turn off our stoves. Yes sir, perfectly done. I'll take some chopped cilantro. Here you go. Out some mint. We'll grab our spoon, and here you go guys. Take a look. A perfect, delicious black bean and rice recipe is right here, guys. This recipe is done from the scratch. If you have time, if you want to make this recipe, do try the recipe the way I showed you guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe the channel, like the video if you like it. Bye bye for now. Black bean and rice. I almost forgot about the taste test, right? So let's move this right here. Take a look here, guys. The taste test. This is our basmati rice with the black beans. Yes. And here is the first bite from the scratch. Woo! It's flavorful, it's yummy. It is actually delicious rice. Try this black bean and rice and you will be happy and amazed about it. Bye bye for now.